UNIQLO is a Japanese fast fashion casual wear manufacturer which offers high quality at reasonably price. It is gradually expanding beyond Japan to the world. First, you need to download the UNIQLO app from your device's app store. Once you've downloaded, open the app. Right now, new members will receive a 500 yen welcome coupon. Tap New Member Registration. Enter your email address and new password for the account. Enter postal code, your date of birth, and your gender. If you don't know the postal code, just open the iPhone camera app and scan the address written on your residence card. Copy the address, go to the link in the description below, and paste the address details in the provided search fields. Delete the block number and apartment name. This is how you can simply find the postal code. You can use my referral code to get extra 500 yen discount. Agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Send Confirmation Code. OTP code will be sent to your email address. Paste the code. Account has been successfully created. You can use this coupons only for net shopping. Now, let's add payment method for UNIQLO Pay. Look for the UNIQLO Pay section. Tap Register. You'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully before proceeding. Enter your phone number. An SMS verification code will be sent to this number. Enter the SMS verification code when prompted. This step is crucial for the security of your account. Next, you'll be asked to choose your preferred payment method. You can register either a bank account or a credit card. You can add Payday card for payment. Fill your card details and tap Register. Payday use 3D Secure to make your card secure. Enter the OTP code sent to your phone. Once you've entered your payment details, your registration is almost complete. You'll see your payment information displayed under your membership card in the app. This blue coupons can be used for both online or store payment. Red coupons is only used for online shopping. Don't forget to select coupons at the UNIQLO shop before you complete your purchase. Please enjoy shopping at the UNIQLO shop, and for an even better experience, use the UNIQLO app to find exclusive deals. Happy shopping, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.